Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to script interactive GUI buttons in Roblox Studio. Okay, so as always, navigate to the Explorer, then right-click the StarterGui right here, and insert a ScreenGui. Insert, Objects, and then search for it here. Then guys, inside it drop a text button or image button. Change the button's anchor point to 0.5 and 0.5, so it scales perfectly from a true center point. Then insert a local script directly inside the button and paste the initialization script to configure smooth hover scaling transitions. The script is as follows. Then guys, you can return to your script frame and bind your core function straight to the mouse button one-click signal listener. Inside the listener block, write a quick visual squish feedback animation to reward the player's physical click action. This is where you drop your local UI triggers, like firing a remote event to the server or opening a shop inventory page layout in the autopilot. Enjoy the guide as always, hopefully this helps, like and subscribe.